Hi all!
Welcome back to Raising Kids in Yorkshire.
And today we're going to show you 10 things to do with kids in York this summer.
Start your day with a relaxing cruise on the River Ouse. You'll see York's iconic skyline from the water, and kids love being on deck. Some even offer family commentary and snacks. Next up, the amazing National Railway Museum. Free to enter, full of interactive exhibitions, and perfect for a rainy or sunny day. Don't miss the miniature railway ride, the kids will love it. Step into the past at Jorvik Viking Centre or York Castle Museum. Kids can ride through a recreated Viking village or explore Victorian streets and play zones. York has some lovely family farms. Try Beetlebank or Merton Park for animal feeding, tractor rides and nature play. A great way to unplug and let the kids roam. Indulge your sweet tooth with a visit to York's Chocolate Story. Kids and adults alike can learn how chocolate is made. Enjoy fun, interactive exhibits and even make your own sweet treat, a delicious and educational experience for the whole family. Take a relaxing stroll through the beautiful York Museum gardens. With ancient ruins, friendly squirrels, wide open spaces to run around, and even a secret fairy door trail, it's a peaceful and playful spot right in the city centre. A totally free treasure hunt through the city. Follow the York Cat Trail map and spot over 20 sneaky cat statues hidden on buildings. Kids love ticking them off. Climb up Clifford's tower for stunning views over the city, then stroll the historic city walls. It's part adventure, part history, and the kids love being above the streets. Please note, you cannot take a pushchair on the city walls, or no dogs either. Step into a mind-bending world of optical illusions, puzzles, and hands-on brain teasers. The puzzling world of Professor Kettlestring is a hit with curious kids and grown-ups alike. Fun, quirky, and totally Instagrammable. Wrap up your day with a family bike ride. The York Racecourse Loop is perfect for kids, or explore one of the many scenic cycle routes in and around the city. A great way to burn off some energy and enjoy the fresh air.